Hey, this is Latoya. I'm back with another video. I'm going to install this 20-inch body weight wig, glueless. I got off AliExpress. We're going to mold our lace down with the Pump It Up spray. Okay. Gonna cut. Okay, so now that's done. I'm gonna add some makeup, and then I'm gonna come in and then lay these down right here. See? Gonna blend it in. It's just a 5x5, so mainly the top part we need to be blended in, but you know. Yeah, just blend it in. Right, then I'm gonna, this glue right here is the best glue. Can you see it's even active. That my last wig stayed on for 2 weeks. 2 weeks. So we're just gonna add some glue right here. So we can lay it down. Okay, so the glueless wig is kind of thick. So I'm just gonna pluck it a little bit so it'll give it like somewhat of a natural look. So I'm gonna go ahead and pluck it. Okay, so I plucked it just a little bit. I'm gonna pluck some more when I get it on my head, but I'm gonna put some of this Ambien tinted lace spray. Lace mousse. Lace mousse. Not lace mousse, tinted mousse. Yeah. But then just squirt it on there. And you get a makeup brush or any type of brush and just rub it on in there. See how it, to me it's better than bleaching. It's less time. Yeah, and I blow dry it. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it on. Okay, I'm going to pluck it a little more and I'll be right back. Okay, I plucked it just a little bit. I don't want to pluck it too much, just a little bit or whatever. Okay, we'll come in with the wet stick. Straighten out this square bit. Okay. Ooh, that ain't straight. I'm horrible at parting. Ooh, it's still going that way. Jesus. Hold on for a second. That look a little better. Just a little bit more. Okay, we're gonna make that work. We'll fix it later. At this point, I can't pour it, but it is what it is. Okay, we're gonna lay it down a little bit. I think I want to put deep wave in it instead of curling it. Let's. stick, gonna lay it down. Okay, so I'm gonna put deep waves in it. This don't look like a 20-inch, but it's okay though. It is what it is. Saying it paid like $40-some for it, so doesn't matter. So I'm going to start putting the waves in it, and then I'm going to come back. Put the waves in. All right, I'm going to finish up. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the finished look. I decided to cut it into a bob because I ain't like the length of the hair, and I put a little wave in it or whatever, but yeah, I ain't gonna leave it in that long anyways. But yeah, so I guess my video is gonna turn into a vlog today. Yes, my first vlog. So the kids want to go somewhere today, and I'm going to take you guys along. So I want to go get dressed, and I'll be right back.
We ready to eat. Joking.
Our vlog is officially over, so I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and go follow his Instagram. But anyways, bye.
Bye.